girl Amber. I do beauty and lifestyle videos, and welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for coming back to another video. Y'all been showing me so much love. Today I have a highly requested makeup tutorial because I have changed a lot of my makeup, and also I lost 10 pounds, guys, and y'all probably asking like what happened. Yeah, y'all see it in the video. So before we get into today's video, make sure you like this video, subscribe down below, follow me on all of my social medias at Amber Vallen, and yes, let's get right into the video, okay?
Starting off, today's favorite is going to be TEAMI. Y'all, I've really been loving TEAMI. Like, they've really been doing the thing for me. I've lost some weight and I've just been really energized. I don't know why my voice just got real dark, but let's go ahead and start this tutorial, y'all. All the products will be linked down below, and yes, that is in the description box. Starting off with the first product, I'm going to be going in with the Clinique Moisture Surge. Spray my entire face and then I pat it in. Then I'm going to take the Clinique Moisture Surge for the under eyes, and this is the concentrate. This stuff be having my eyes on 30,000, okay? It never creases. And this is my song, period, boo. Next, I'm gonna go in with the best lip oil on the planet, and that's the ULTA Juice Infused lip oils, y'all. These, amazing. Absolutely love it. This is my Then I'm gonna go in with my first product for my base. This Urban Decay All Nighter Primer is my favorite, and I'm gonna go in with that Lancôme Teint Idole foundation in 450 in suede. And then I got on the phone with my sister, y'all, so you know that's what I'm doing on here. But this is my shade, y'all. This is like my perfect match. This is my favorite foundation on the planet right now. I use it for whenever the hell I want, and it's just amazing. I like it better than the Estee Lauder Double Wear, by the way. Okay, bye. Next, NARS has got me covered under the eyes. It's hydrating, it's hydrating, it's hydrating. We're done. It's hydrating. Yes, I let it dry for more coverage. It's still hydrating, and my under eyes never crease. They look healthy and I look young. Then I'm going to go in with the Lancôme Teint Idole in the stick, and I'm going to go in with 500, which is a little warmer and a little darker than my skin. And this combo just honestly just looks effortless. I also take my e.l.f. Putty blush, and this is like Caribbean. It's like a ruby-ish color. I like it because it's kind of dark. And then of course I'm going to take that NARS concealer again. I'll put the shades down below, but I have basically a color correcting concealer, and then I have a highlighting concealer. What did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. So now that I've constructed and structured my face, I go in and individually blend each of these sections out. I usually go in with a beauty blender and like 3 other face brushes. Taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm going to go in and set my under eyes, carve out my nose, and eventually my cheek area. With this L'Oreal Infallible, I'm going to go ahead and give me a little coverage and color just to give me more of that suede kind of look. And then I'm going to go in and carve my cheeks out. Now I'm going to add a little warmth with the tastiest bronzer on the planet, y'all. This stuff tastes like chocolate and it smells amazing too. But look at the bronziness it gives me. It's like the perfect color for me and the perfect amount of bronze. But I love this stuff, y'all. It's expensive, but I'd be repurchasing. And then, of course, she's going to be used on my nose, of course. I'm going for that button nose. So I really kind of try and cut off the tip and give me like a little button at the tip. Let me put you all onto these blushes. These blushes are amazing, guys. They're very airbrushed, very Photoshop looking. I will be using these in any events in the future because they just give me what I need. But I'm talking too much. I need to move on to my brows. I'm into brows right now, y'all. Soap brows, like soft glam brows, natural brows are in right now. And honestly, they just look more model-esque, you know? But this is a soap bar brand off of Amazon I've been loving. It came in a pack of 2 for like $8. Can't beat it. My brows stay all day. I absolutely love it. I just spray it to activate it. And then to go over that to add some color, I go in with my ANASTASIA Dip Brow Gel in the color Caramel. Something chocolate, something light, because you guys know my hair is lighter. And then I take my favorite brow pencils right now, which is the STILA Stay All Day Waterproof Brow Colors. I have the shades medium and dark, and y'all, they stay all day and they're blendable, so I love. Now here's the surprise. I don't carve my brows out anymore. I no longer carve my brows out. On me, it was just looking too unnatural, and I was going for more of a natural beauty vibe, so I just kind of carve out my eyebrow with this little highlighter pencil, and it blends out perfectly fine to me, and I love the color that it is, so that's what I've been doing instead. To give my brows some lift, I'm going to set that highlight with this FENTY Snap Shadow. And I'm just taking that bone color and highlighting under it. And then right after that, I'm going to go in. I'm going to just dust off all of this powder. Alright, moving on to the eyes, I'm going to take this Urban Decay eyeshadow potion and I'm just going to prime the eyes real quick. And I'm going to be using 2 eyeshadow palettes today, that FENTY Snap Shadow and the Morphe 9-6 palette. And I'm just going to be mixing some shades through there. So I'm going to let you guys follow along and I'll talk to you guys in a sec. Now that the eyes are finished, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. I'm just taking some random brown liners that I have, and honestly, I'm just going to create like an original regular black girl lip. And this is just using various shades of brown and mixing it with like concealer and then topping it with the gloss. So that's essentially what we really do. So that's what I'm doing here. I look crazy, but the brown gloss that I'm going to use is going to kind of warm everything back up and keep it from looking very pinky, cool tone. Now it's time for the last step of my routine, which is highlighter on my nose. I don't use highlighter anymore. I only use it on my nose because I want that more button effect. And with that, your girl is finished. Voila, I'm done. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna start making these outros a little shorter. I hope you guys got all the tips, the products, and tricks that you need to get you a successful beat girl. I had a ball filming this video, and honestly my makeup came out very flawless. Follow me on all my social media, and make sure you guys check out TEAMI Blends and use my discount code, because honestly y'all, woo, your girl lost 10 pounds and I literally feel amazing. So yes, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you so much, and watch my last video because y'all know the screen that's after this one is gonna be for you to watch the next video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, love you, bye.